Okay. Good morning, good evening, everyone, and thanks a lot for joining. This is Praveen here, and you are with me in batch 10. Okay. So, how are you all? First of all, let's discuss a few things. How are you all? By the way, a very good morning. And sorry for making you wait because this is the first class. People will always find difficulty in joining the live session. Good morning, good evening, everyone. Okay. So, that is the reason I just wanted to make sure that you take time, you settle down, and then you join the class. Very good morning. I am good. Thanks a lot for watching me from various parts of the world. Okay, and thanks a lot for joining batch 10. Right. So I hope you all are doing great. So let's start the batch 10. The time is now 9:10 a.m. and I will set the expectation first from you all. What is the expectation? What are the things that you are going to get? And I hope that you all are able to hear me as well as see me. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, good. So if anyone is facing difficulties in hearing me or watching me, you can just make sure your internet connectivity is good and your laptop is good. Okay, right. So let's start the class. I'll not waste much time. So I'll quickly go over the things for the rules and regulations that we will cover in the class. And then slowly I will go ahead and I will tell you like what are the things that you will get, and then we will go ahead to the next steps. Okay, right. So I hope you all have 500 pages notebook. That is very much important in my class because all the notes that you will be watching or you will be understanding, all those things will play an important role. So all of you have notebooks. Quick chat, yes or no? Yes, recordings will be available, no worries. Okay, good. So all of you have your notes also, right? That's great. So let me tell you a few things. This is batch 10, which you are watching me here, right? And we are going to do everything that is needed for you to get the interview ready things, right? So let's get started. I will first write the do's and don'ts. What are the things that you are going to get from the batch 10 and what we are expecting from you to make sure. Okay. So first is have a notebook. All of you need to have a notebook of, let's say like 500 pages. This is mandatory if you are joining my session, right? So with this, what will happen is you can understand and write the class notes according to your interest. Okay. The second thing is the important part is the data, whatever I'm going to share, may it be the project, may it be the assignment, or may it be the interview questions and answers, all those things you should be able to make sure that, okay, I have to complete all these things. So let me tell you a few things. So Saturday and Sunday, you will be having the classes. And Monday to Friday, you will be preparing from yourself. And in the meanwhile, Wednesday, there will be one more class. So I hope that you are understanding Saturday, Sunday, project plus theory classes will be there. Okay. And Monday to Friday, you will be preparing from the documents I'm going to share. And Wednesday, you will come to the doubts class. Okay. Apart from this, the third point is this is a job oriented session, guys. Okay. I hope that you are able to understand. So what I mean by job oriented is you have to work hard along with me. It's not like I only teach and you just come to the class, you go away. Monday to Friday, you don't listen anything. That will not work. Okay. So what here is going to work is everything that you need to get a job, right? May it be interview questions and answers, may it be real-time projects, may it be coding, right? Or may it be your scenario-based questions, may it be architecture diagrams, may it be design documents, okay? Design documents, may it be class notes, everything you need to prepare and you need to make ready. Or let's say like system design, as I have told you, right? So these are very important aspects when you are looking for a job, right? Along with that, your resume, your mock interviews, your LinkedIn profile optimization, right? And finally, your job oriented sessions, everything, right, will be given to you. Okay. But what you have to do, fresher, you need to give your 100%. Okay. If you are not giving 100%, then it's very difficult for you to understand the things. Okay. Now, one important thing, whenever you are making notes, right, on the top, please leave some space, or wherever you feel that you can leave your place, you can write your doubts here on top of the class, right? So whenever I am teaching, if you have some doubts, you can write it on the top side, wherever you feel, right, in your notebook for that particular session, right? And you can ask me at the end of the class. Two things here: if you are not able to get the doubts cleared on the same day, we have something called feed section. I hope that you all have seen the feed section. And we also have the email support. Please note it down, all of you. Hey DevOps help at gmail.com is our email where you can mail all your queries, your doubts, your project related happenings, everything you can share it. So this will be the two things. And third will be your Telegram group. That group I will share at the end of this class, right? Only to the enrolled members, right? For freshers, I have told that this is the pattern that you are going to follow. For experienced, those who are experienced, let's say like 5 years experience, 3 years experience, you need to collect every question and answer from whichever platform you get. Are you able to understand? Not only my class, not only from my experience, but wherever you find anything, collect it and put it everything in folder. Is it clear, everyone? You can, even if you are an experienced, if you are a fresher, you can follow this. Wherever you get a DevOps documents, create a folder. How do you create a folder? I'm going to share my GitHub repo also for all of you, so don't worry. But wherever you get question and answers, projects, everything, you can put it by your name. Let's say like you can put your name is Benston, right? So you can put Benston underscore DevOps, and you can put under this tool-wise folder. Let's say Kubernetes one folder, Jenkins one folder, Docker one folder, and all those things like that, folder-wise data. Even the freshers can follow this. Okay, it's not like only experience, but because I just wanted to make sure for freshers, this is very much high-level concepts. For experienced, they can understand easily, but for freshers, let's say like I'm giving you a coding task. How do you solve it? That's a little bit difficulty level will be a little bit increased, right? So what we are going to do is, in order to get all those things, we will use some platforms. The first platform is Lead Code for coding. Okay. And for our AWS and Azure projects, we will use Azure and AWS accounts. And for all our projects, we will use VMs. Is it clear? Which platforms we are going to use? And anyways, for recordings, for the class sessions, you already have our Hey DevOps. Here, the documents, the recordings, everything will be available to you. So you don't need to worry. Is it clear? The documents, the recordings will be available to you. Lead Code we will use for coding, AWS and Azure accounts for our different kinds of cloud projects, and VMs for our different DevOps tools, installations, and setup. Are you all clear? How am I setting the expectations to everyone? Yes, everyone. Lead Code is a coding platform. As we go ahead, I will tell you. But if you are aware, you can take it. No issues. Clear? Okay, so let's start the class. Okay, right. I'm very much excited. So let me see how is your excitement, and then we will go ahead and see like other things. Okay, great. So let's start the class. So before that, I would like everyone to do these two things for me in the class. Time is now 9:19 only. No worries. All of you open your first page of notebook. Yes. This is general scenario which I put it for everyone. All of you open your first page of notebook, or wherever your notebook is. Open the first page. Okay. And all of you write your goals here, right? In the next 2 to 3 months, right? What is your goal, right? In the next 2 to 3 months, let's say max to max, the maximum time you can spend to get a job is 6 months, not more than that. Okay. So what is your goal in next to 2, 3 months or maximum of 6 months? Let's say I want to crack a product based company. Write down your first three goals. And if you are achieving any of this goal, you can definitely email us that you have achieved your goal, and all your data will be privately saved. Okay, we will not put it publicly, but just to make sure you are able to understand things, and even we are on sync, right? All of you have noted? All of you have written your goal? Yes. What is your first three goals? Right? Let's say, like, I want to get a product based company. I want to crack 20 LPA job. I want to see myself in this place in next 2 to 3 years. Right? All of you have written? Can I move ahead? See, yaar, I have set the base for you. Then I have told what you are going to get, freshers, what you have to do, experience, what you have to do. And if you get doubts where you have to post, what is our email ID and what platforms we are going to use. And we are now setting the goal. As we go ahead in the class, you will be able to understand few more things that are very much needed for anyone to crack job. Is it clear? Everyone written your goals? May I know what are your goals? Right? And one more thing, chat will be only visible to me, because if you all see the chat, it will be always popping up and that will be creating a distraction. So chat is always with me. I will be able to see. Okay. Secure a good job in MNC. Sayutej Malwade is telling to get a 15 lakhs package. Okay. To crack a product based company. What else? What else you have? 40 to 50 LPA. Okay. Anand is telling 40 to 50 LPA. What about others? Goal one, getting a job, want to become a DevOps engineer, upskilling, making to become a DevOps engineer, learn DevOps, double figure package, secure product based companies, 15 to 20 LPA. To get good package, product based company, to crack a job in US, right? 20 LPA, DevOps engineering, Amazon UK, 40 LPA. Okay. So all of your goals are standing in two lines from what I can understand. One, getting a good package, right? Or to get a job. Correct? All of you are in between this. If an experienced person is there, he will be thinking like, okay, I need to get a job. If a fresher is there, he will be thinking like, I need to get a job. I need to get a package. I need to get a job, right? Good. So let's get started into the class. All of you take out your notes and write everything, whatever I am writing here. And before I do anything, I just wanted to make sure. Okay. So just give me 1 second. I'm just doing few things here. Okay. Let's get started into the class, guys, without wasting much time. Okay, great. So 1, 2, 3, go ahead. Okay, right. So all of you see here. First of all, I will talk about what is DevOps and SRE. This will be purely a basic class, and all my sessions will be like this only, right? I will teach without watching the slides. The slides will be given to you as the theory part or the notes part. Project, I will do the hands-on, and you can do after the completion of the hands-on, I complete by watching the video. Okay? Let's get started on to the theory. Right. Good. So all of you see here, whenever people talk about DevOps and SRE, okay, there is a myth in between these two words. For your information, I would like to divide both of the things, because both of the things we are going to cover in this class. Okay. What is DevOps? I would tell very simply that DevOps is all about managing the tool stack. Okay. Tool stack. Now, people have given the new name to this. Any idea? Have you heard about this? Platform engineering. Okay. The second one, DevOps is all about security. DevOps is all about reliability of tools, basically, whatever you want, security of tools, integration of tools, right? Efficiency. Let's say I want to put everything fast into production, into the user environment, right? All of you, please write down notes, whatever I am writing. Okay, this particular notes will not be shared to you because I am teaching in the class. Tool stack meaning I will tell you. As of now, you can understand like managing tools, stack, security of the tools, reliability of the tools, integration of the tools, and efficiency. Okay, is it clear? Everyone, what are the 5 pointers that comes under DevOps and platform engineering? Managing of the tool stack, security of the tool stack, reliability of the tool stack, integration of the tool stack, efficiency of the tool stack. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? What is SRE? See, very simply, I will tell you, you don't need to by heart also. Whenever some interviewer asks, what is DevOps, what is SRE, what is the difference between both of them? You can tell as per your explanation. Don't remember the bookish knowledge. Don't remember, in my class, no bookish knowledge is needed. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Everything I will tell you as per my experience, no book knowledge is needed. Okay. What is SRE? SRE is all about your monitoring, your system uptime, like 99.999, 365 days into 24 bar 7. It means that the system should be up and running 99.999, 365 days, 24 bar 7. Is it clear? Clear, everyone? Right. Now, the third point in system reliability engineering, mostly your coding is coming here. Coding in the terms of Python. Okay. SRE full form, please write down: Site Reliability Engineering. The fourth point you can understand like this. You are doing monitoring, you are doing system uptime, on-call activities. It means that because I need to support my system 24 bar 7, I need to do the on-call. Like you will have some tools in this stack where you will get the phone call. If the user is not getting the response from our website, you will get a phone call. Is it clear? You are going to get a phone call that, okay, boss, there is an issue and I need to solve that issue. On call activities. Okay. So SRE is mostly there are two terms here. One is pre-deployment and the next one is post deployment. Okay. It means whatever the tools that are needed for my code to get deployed into some environment. Let's say I have a code. I want to deploy into user environment. The DevOps is needed. Let's say once the code is deployed, to monitor the code, I need an SRE engineer. Are you able to understand the difference? Everyone, very simple, no bookish knowledge. Whatever the experience knowledge only is shared to you. Everyone is clear? Very simple. Okay. So what is SRE? What is DevOps? DevOps is pre-work and SRE is post-work. Okay. Reliability means your system should be 365 days, 24 bar 7 up and running. User should not complain that, boss, my system is down. I'm not happy. I'm not happy with your services. Okay. Now, you understood DevOps and SRE. Now I will tell you some statistics based on this. Okay. There will be a flow diagram. Please draw in your notebook. Yes. Yes, Anusha, correct. In DevOps also coding is needed, but that is shell scripting, little bit Python scripting. SREs are mostly coding. Okay. Clear? Platform engineering, cloud engineering, all will come under these two pillars only. Okay. Cloud engineering, platform engineering. Cloud engineering mainly deals with your cloud. AWS, Azure, like cloud support roles. They will deal with cloud. Okay. We will talk about those things as we go ahead. No issues. Right. All of you see here. Yes. All of you see here. Yes. The examples I will tell you with projects as we go ahead in the next classes. Okay. Linux, definitely in both the places, Linux is needed. Without Linux, without all the things, whatever you are going to learn in the batch 10, nothing can help you. Guys, all of you see here, whatever you have seen here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, everything is needed by DevOps and SRE. Okay? DevOps, SRE, cloud engineers. But my only intention to tell you that whatever you are learning, the basic differences I have told you. Okay. Now let's get into deep little bit. All of you see here, the DevOps and SRE, the flow diagram I will draw. Please understand, DevOps also need coding. Yes. So if you are a DevOps engineer, if you are a SRE engineer, without coding, cracking a job in 2024 is a nightmare. All of you write down this chart here, please. Okay. One, whenever you talk about DevOps and SRE, this chart should be remembered by you. Okay. Now, the flow chart I am drawing, the tools, cloud. Okay. Please write down coding, security, monitoring, reliability, scalability, efficiency, leadership qualities. For a DevOps engineer, the leadership quality is very much important because you will be talking with multiple teams to help them in the deployments, to help them in monitoring, to solve issues, to write code, to help others. All those things, leadership qualities is needed. Communication skills. Yes, when I talk about coding, only Python. DevOps engineers should know Python, 100% true. When I talk about tools, all the tools. Okay, when I talk about security, specifically security tools. When I talk about monitoring, only monitoring tools. When I talk about reliability, the 99.99%. Please write down. Here you need to know AWS and Azure. Yes, you will get the recordings of this class right after 4 hours. Once the class is completed, within 4 to 5 hours, in the same place where you have joined the class, the recordings will be available. Is it clear, Vinay? Everyone? Right. Please write down when I talk about cloud, the AWS and Azure is must. Are you writing this flowchart? It's very much important because you need to understand without any of this block, getting an interview clear is very, very difficult. Do you think any other blocks are added here? Any idea? Any idea? Do you think that, okay, I need to add some more things? Okay, yes, good. So one block to add, that is Linux, very much important. And the other block to add is troubleshooting. Is it clear, everyone? GitHub, all our tools. Coding means automation. Coding means your automation. Okay. Okay. Please write down here one more block. Certifications. Right. In Linux, your networking, everything will come in. You can put like Linux/networking. No issues. Okay. I will repeat one more. Please write down everyone. Capacity management, all those things we will not come go ahead here. Now, all of you see here, Linux and networking, the tool stack, communication skills, cloud. You are already in the class, Nitesh. Don't worry. Okay. Scalability, coding, security, efficiency, certifications, leadership qualities, monitoring, AWS and Azure, reliability, troubleshooting. Have you all written this flow diagram? I will go ahead. If you tell me yes, I will then go ahead. Everyone done? Right. Good. So let's move ahead. Right. Let's move ahead. Now, The next step, whenever we are talking in terms of, let's say, like what to read, what to understand, right? So I'm taking out now slides to make you walk through. I will not see slides, by the way. I'll just focus on what is needed from the slide to tell you. Okay? Just 1 second. Okay. Yes. Okay. One more thing. This class will have a doubt session, like 15 minutes, 10 minutes. There you can ask your queries, and at the end of the class, you can talk also. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. You want to see the flowchart once? Okay. I will take out the flowchart for you. Okay. And one more thing, guys, this is an online session. Okay. So those who have opted for one-to-one mentorship, they will be getting a separate mentorship, right? For 30 minutes, right? And that is valid whenever you feel like. I will talk about that at the end. But what I'm going to tell is you have opted for a online classes, right? It's not an offline session where you all are with me understanding the core principles, core projects, core live sessions, and core skills to get a job. Okay. I'll be teaching that, right? Don't expect like, Praveen, I'm not able to get help. Praveen, I'm not able to overcome this project and all those things. You have to work yourself, right? So whatever I'm going to teach you, once you are stuck anywhere, the email and the feed section where all of our DevOps managers, community leaders, and you also will be there in that feed place. Okay. So you can always post your query. Right. Can I move ahead? Can I go ahead, guys? Only today. Only today. Who is this? Yes. Only today, Moshin. Right. Right. Let's go ahead. Let's understand few things here. All of your eyes on the screen. All of your eyes on the screen. Right. Now, first and the foremost, whenever we talk about the DevOps and SRE, there are some first and the priority based tools. Okay. Now, if you see here in the earlier times, I will tell you a small scenario. Okay. The people were divided into multiple teams. People used to have development, people used to have testers, people used to have design team, people used to have DB team, people used to have support team. Do you agree with me? Everyone? Yes. Development, testers, design, DB, and support. Now, what the people have done is people wanted to make the cost optimization, right? Cost optimization. It means whenever a company starts its projects, they will always do the cost optimization, either layoff, either clubbing of the team. You would have seen, right? Multiple times this will happen. So what they have done is they have integrated development and testers together and they call like dev engineers, right? Like you are a dev guy, you should know the testing and you should know development. And what they have done is they have integrated all these people and they are calling like DevOps support or DB. Anything is fine. Okay. Now, our main intention to tell you this is if you are into a DB role, if you are into a support role, there are very good chances to come into DevOps. Is it clear? If you are a database admin, if you are a Linux admin, anyone can come into DevOps. That is what my primary intention to tell you. Okay. And I am going to help you and on how to come from this place to the DevOps if you are stuck anywhere. So for your information, whatever we are discussing in terms of, let's say, the like core principles of DevOps, you will be collaborating with multiple teams. You have to do automations with Python. You have to handle the continuous integration and continuous deployment, feedback and monitoring, SRE activities, and continuous learning and improvement. So earlier, if you see, people were divided into development team, testers, design, DB, support, but now people are integrating the teams. Do you agree with me? There are multiple level of people here who are integrated together. All of you agree with me? Do you agree? Yes, obviously, people want to do the cost optimization as well as people management, right? So that is very important. Okay, now you understood this, right? Anyone who is a design team, who is a database admin, who is a Linux support engineer, any support teams can move into DevOps very easily. Now, please write down tech stack you will learn in batch 10. Okay, so all of you write down. Yes, I am going to tell you. I'm going to tell you. Yes, Kiranya, definitely. It's 3 years. 3 years. Okay. Right. All of you see here. Please write down this tools tech stack which you are going to get. If you are able to see, we have already written here. Yes or no? Guys, the first thing we have written here is tools. So I am just explaining from that branch. I am pulling out and I am showing you the diagram here. Is it fine? The first data point I have hold it and I am opening that tree. Can I go ahead? If you tell me yes, I will go ahead. Everyone, please make notes, guys. That is very important because whenever you are going to the interview, that will become easy for you for preparation. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's go in the tools tech stack. Yes, please write down. The first tool which you are going to learn is Git. I mean, whenever I'm talking about tools, here you will get Linux. Security tools, please write down. In security tools, we are going to cover Git and GitHub we are going to cover. In security tools, you are going to cover, okay, let's Trivy, security and code quality. I will write like this, okay. Trivy, SonarQube, okay, Black Duck and Fortify. Are you writing, guys? Whatever these tools only we will prepare in the batch 10. Okay. And no need to read any other tools. If you are good with these tools, that's enough. Okay. Right. The fourth one is CI/CD. So you will learn Jenkins. You will learn Argo CD. Okay. Fortify, Fortify, Fortify. Okay. CI/CD, Jenkins, Argo CD. Okay. Containerization, Docker, orchestration, Kubernetes, cloud, AWS and Azure. Writing down everyone, right? Yes. Automations, Python and Shell. Coding, purely Python. Monitoring, Prometheus, Grafana, Kiali, Istio, Jaeger. Okay. Have you written the 10? I will go to the next part because you should know what I am going to give you. Yes. Correct, right? Yes. 10th is completed. 10th one is monitoring. Prometheus, Grafana, Kiali, Istio, Jaeger. Kiali, Istio, Jaeger. Kiali, Istio, Jaeger. Monitoring is Prometheus, Grafana, Kiali, Istio, Jaeger. Okay. Right. I will go ahead on the 11th point. Yes. Monitoring. Yes. Monitoring is Prometheus, Grafana, Kiali, Istio, Jaeger. Whatever I am writing, I am only going to cover. And that has been given to you as the batch 10 syllabus. Okay, don't worry about the other tools. Right. No other. Yes, Splunk. Obviously, Splunk is also there. Please write down everyone. Splunk. Okay. All the tools are needed. Whatever I am telling, all the tools are needed. Can we go to the 11th? Can we go to the 11th? Yes. Yes. Okay, good. Now, 11th, please write down everyone. Yes. 11th, please write down infrastructure as a code. Okay. Guys, 1 second, please don't ask any other tools which are outside the syllabus. Whatever is here, I'm going to cover that. Okay. Infrastructure as the code, Terraform, clear? 11th. 12th, configuration management, Ansible. Can I go ahead? Can I a little bit go ahead, guys? Yes. 12th, 13th, repositories, JFrog, Docker Hub. Okay. And in the cloud, you will have ECR. Okay. The 14th one, please write down everyone. Java, pom.xml, dependencies check. Okay. Okay. 15th, please write down. Everyone written? Yes. Right. GitHub Actions / 14th Java pom.xml based on Java code. Java code. Okay. Java pom.xml dependencies check. Dependencies check. Dependencies check. Deepshri, clear? Yes. Okay. Yes. Dependencies check. Dependencies check. I will tell you what is that. We will see some Java code also. We will try to understand. Okay. GitHub Actions, Maven. Build tool, Maven. Okay. Okay. Is it clear the 15 stacks? If anything is there, we will add. Okay. 14th, monitoring. 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 Okay. Sorry, forgot. 16th, Helm charts, Jira, and also there. Okay. Helm charts, Jira are also there. Repository, Priyanka, repository, JFrog, Docker Hub, and ECR. Yes, I forgot to write. 17th, database. Please write down everyone. MySQL database we are going to see. Okay. Clear? Helm and Jira. Clear, everyone? Okay. I will move forward. Now, one by one tool, we will go into deep. Is it fine, everyone? No, Abhigna, no. Okay. Can we go ahead one by one tool into the depth? Can we dive right away? Slides you can go and later check. But this is very important. One by one tool, we will go in deep, understand things, what you are expected, what are the automations, everything. Okay, great. So I will move ahead with the first tool, that is your Git. Slides, everything are there in the website. Once the class is over, by today 5 p.m., all the slides, recordings, interview questions and answers, preparation materials, everything will be there in the website itself. Okay. Shall we start, guys? If you say okay, I will start. If you say no, I will wait for you guys. Okay. Good. Okay. So let's start. Let's go into deep. What is this? Okay. Wait. Now, first tool, whenever we talk about any DevOps stack, the first tool is, which is very much important, is Git. Okay. So I will talk in very basics first, and then I will go into deep dive. Today, for your information, from the day 1 to day 60 or 90, we are not leaving Git. Are you clear, everyone? Yes. Day 1 is day 1 basics to medium. Till day 90, all the advanced level things you will be able to understand. Okay. It's not like here I completed Git means it's not completed. 100% it's not completed. My efforts on every tool will be 70%. Your effort should be 30%. Okay. So those things are there. Okay. Right. So let's go ahead. Let's understand what is Git. Now, all of you see here. Now, I am a developer. Please write, please see here. I am a developer. Okay. I have a code. I am writing a code. This code can be a Java code, can be a Python code, can be a Node.js code. See, I have worked on these tech stacks, so I know. Okay. I have not worked on Android. I don't know. I am not going to write that. Okay. In our class, Java and Python, I will easily explain you. No issues. Okay. Now, all of you see here, I am a developer. Okay. I am a developer and I have a code with me. Okay. I have a code with me. I have written some lines of code. Okay. Now, this is my laptop. Now, what I'm trying to do or what I'm trying to understand from this particular screen is whenever I'm writing down the code, I am not a single developer in team. Okay. For your information, in India, you would have heard DMart. In USA, you would have heard Walmart. Both are same. Correct? Both are same. They are e-commerce platforms. They are the stores which keep the items, right? For example, let's understand this. In my DMart or in my Walmart, the entire structure remains same. I will write few names. You tell me yes or no. For DMart and Walmart, I need transportation to transfer my goods from one. Very important, real-time project I am explaining you. With that, I will tell you how the coding is done, how the places are kept, and all those things we will move. For DMart and Walmart, the transportations are needed. Yes. For DMart and Walmart, item and inventory management is needed. Do you agree with me? Which item is coming to the store? What is the barcode? What is the price? Everything I need to keep a database. I need to keep a service. For Walmart and DMart, I need to have a purchase order application where once I purchase, what will happen? My address are saved, my location is saved, someone is going to track my details, my PIN code is saved. Do you agree with me? Yes, I am talking about services, correct? Now, what DMart and Walmart have done is they have hired some coders here. Okay. For transportation, there are 3 coders. For item and inventory, there are 4 coders because it's a big application. And for purchase order, there are 5 coders. So total, how many people? 5 plus 4 plus 3. 5, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. So a total of 12 people are working in Walmart or 12 people are working in DMart. Are you able to understand, everyone? Yes, right. So what I'm going to do is I am going to create a repository for each service. Okay, so see here. What I'm going to do is for transportation, I need to save the code somewhere. Yes. For item and inventory, I need to save my code somewhere. For purchase order, I need to save my code somewhere. Do you agree with me? Yes, I need to save my code. Whatever my three developers are doing the code, I need to save somewhere. So what I am going to do is here I am going to have everyone, please try to understand. We need to have a GitHub account. Okay. So in this GitHub account, what will happen is you are going to save all your code. This is called repository. Wherever you are storing something like a container, you are putting something like an box, right? Ice cream box, you will store ice cream, correct? Yes, that's true, right? If I want to store some surf, I will use a jar. I will store the surf inside that. So similarly, I want to store my code. I will take a tool name called GitHub. GitHub is a store where all my code is stored. Okay, GitHub is a platform where all my code is stored. So what I am going to do is, how many repositories I am going to create in GitHub? Can you tell me? How many repositories? Three. So first one is transportation repository. That repository means a folder, guys. Okay, it's a folder. So folder one is transportation. Folder two is item and inventory. Folder three is PO. Okay, like that we used to give names in Walmart. So that is why I am able to tell the transportation INI PO, purchase order. Now the beauty here is each repository, how many people are working? For this, 3 people. For this, 4 people. For this, 5 people. Correct. Now, whenever I am working on some repository or whenever I am working on some code, I need basically two tools. One is Git, which is handled by the developer and DevOps engineer. And the other one is GitHub, which is handled by Microsoft and DevOps engineer and developers. Is it clear? Now, what is the primary need of both of them? Please try to understand. This is local. Whenever I tell a local, it means a laptop. This software is to be installed in laptop. This is present in internet like a software as a service, like your Gmail. Gmail is software as a service, like your Hey DevOps platform. It's a software as a service. It is providing you the training and educational service. Do you agree with me? So whenever I want to talk from the local server to the remote server, I need to have a one tool called Git. This will continuously talk with my remote server. My local laptop server should always talk with remote server. All of you agree with me? Yes, whenever I am writing a code, all of the tools and tech stacks, I should make sure that, okay, someone is there with me and you all should install Git and you all should have GitHub accounts. I will tell you when to create. Tomorrow, I will show you the steps to create and all those things we will do. Today, you just understand the basics. Okay. Now, all of you see here, whenever we are trying to understand these all things, right? Yes. Whenever we are trying to understand this local, remote, GitHub is a central repository, central internet. Okay. Prashant, whatever I am writing, just write down in your notebook. That should be fine. Okay. Now, all of you see here. Now, tell me one thing, guys. People use Git. Yes, Nitish, it's from your end issue. Okay. Check your internet connection. And people use GitHub. What I have told you, whenever I write a code, that code should be centrally kept somewhere, right? This you understood, right? Everyone, whenever I am writing a code, I need to save my code. I need to save my code. What about if my laptop is crashed? Correct? The code will be gone. If my laptop is spoiled, the code will be gone. If someone pours water on my laptop, code is gone. So what I will do, I will save all my code onto the central repository, which is managed by Microsoft. Now, all of you see here, whenever you are writing the code in DevOps, there are two major things. Please write down everyone. One is commands. The other one is configuration. Yes, Ashish, that's true. All of you write down whatever the tools you see here, right? All of you have written this, na? Whatever the tools you see here, every tool will have commands and configuration. All of you clear? Yes or no? So whenever I ask any command, it should be on your fingertips, right? Whenever I teach a tool, you should automatically imagine, okay, this tool is associated with this command. Okay, this command is associated with this tool. This command is helping me to achieve this task. Okay. And how to set up the tool, where to set up the tool, when to set up the tool is very important. How, when, where, this all things are important to set up the tool. Where you need to set up the tool, how you need to set up the tool, when you need to set up the tool is very important. Okay. Now, all of you write down, guys, whenever I am talking about Git. Okay. You understood, right? Git is where Git is present. Where Git is present? In my local, right? In my local. So tell me, you are a DevOps engineer, but you need to know complete Git. So please write down some commands, which I will be writing down. And the beauty here is, see, all of you, very beauty, huh? Very beauty. See, whenever I call Arun, whenever I call Ankam Rao, whenever I call Divita, I call them by names. Nitish, again, I am telling that is your internet connectivity issue. No other person or member or student is facing that issue. Please drop off and join back, or you can check your internet connection, right? All of you see here, whenever I call someone, how I call? Whenever I call someone, how I call? With name? Yes. Now, all of you see here, I am calling some commands here. Please see. Git init, git clone, git pull, git push, git commit, git log, git, oh sorry, git diff, git config, git merge, git pull, git add. Okay, now all of you see here, whatever the command I am typing or I am writing, did you saw that I am calling with a name, the tool name and the value? Did you understood? Yes, right? Please write down other commands also. Git cherry pick, git fetch, right? Yes, enough. Git rebase. Okay, as of now, it's enough. It will be very heavy. Okay, one last command I will put it, git revert. Now, I am going to give you, for every tool, a cheat sheet is there. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, wait. For every tool, a cheat sheet is there, guys. Okay, so how to prepare that cheat sheet? Please listen, everyone. You have your wall, na? House wall. All of you have your wall, right? Whatever the cheat sheets I am giving you, please take a printout. Not only that, let's say cheat sheet, let's say resume, or let's say any real-time scenario questions, or let's say coding. I will give you scenarios. Okay. Please take the printout and please paste it or put it with the help of your, you will have a double-sided tape. Yes. Linux cheat sheet, I'm going to give you a new one, not the one which has been circulated or not the one which is lower quality. Okay. So all of you, what you do, you get yourself a wall at home today. That's how I also prepared myself. So the moment you wake up, everything should be on your fingertip. From the day one, you should be hunting for the job. Okay. Is it clear? Everyone? Right? From today, your job hunt should start. Whatever the cheat sheets are given, first memorize it, by heart it, attach on your wall. Whenever you wake up, you watch it and you just memorize those things. It will be very easy for you. Okay, clear? Okay, I will drink some water. It's 1 hour. Just I'll get my water bottle here only. All of you, meanwhile, write all the commands. We will discuss one by one. Okay, great. Okay. Shall we discuss one by one? One by one command. Shall we discuss what each command is doing? Shall we discuss, guys? Yes? Let's get started. Okay. Completely, we will discuss about this. Then we will move into a little bit of other things and we'll try to understand what each thing is going on. Okay. Now, very importantly in DevOps, okay, whenever you talk about the Git, right, I have told you 2.5 hours, Vivek. Okay. Right. But it can extend to 3 hours also. Okay. So you need to be till here till 12 p.m. Okay. Right. So all of you see here, this is my local. I have told you this is my laptop. And if I want to talk with internet, okay, I have a GitHub account also. So whenever you are joining any new company, you will be getting an email ID. Correct? For example, my email ID at Walmart was praveen.singampalli@walmart.com. And my GitHub account was created with the same email ID. Okay. And all the tools will get automatically installed once you join any organizations, right? There will be a tool stack where you get automatically all the tools. Now let's discuss about some commands here, which are very much important. So whenever I talk about a code, all of you see here, guys, beautiful concept. I am working under a transportation department and I was supposed to write the code, okay, where a truck is coming in. right? A truck is coming in at 9 a.m. every day into the godown. Okay. And the truck is leaving every day 12 p.m. at the godown. What it has done in that 3 hours, and it reaches every day 5 p.m. at the DMart store. So after reaching the DMart store, how much distance it has traveled, what is the data that it is carrying, what are the items that is carrying, whether any items has been missed or not. So everything will be tracked by my transportation application. Are you understanding the real-time use case? I have put the truck with my inventory of items. Okay. And the truck has started and reached DMart and it is deloading all the items. I want to make sure how much is the fuel consumption done, what size of the truck when it got loaded at time of deboarding, all the items, whether it are reached in the place of DMart or not, or any item has been skipped by the driver or any other person or not. Correct? These all things are important. Do you agree with me? Very important. So what I am trying to do here is I am trying to make sure I write the code accordingly. Okay. Please see here. Now, this entire task I alone cannot do. So how many people I have with me? 3 people in my team. Correct. Now I will create a Jira. Okay. I don't know how many of you have heard Jira, but Jira is the ticket management tool. Whenever you are joining an organization, you are given a Jira account, okay, like ServiceNow, and every task that you are doing is counted. The way you log in at 9 a.m., the way you log out at 9 p.m., all your tasks are recorded. Okay, please see here. Now, how many epics I will be creating? Epic means the parent task for a person. Okay. So what is the task? I will say transportation data management. It means this particular developer is only responsible for management of transportation data. How many items are loaded? How many items are deboarded? What is the total distance it has traveled and all those things. This guy will only take the driver details. Are you understanding? And this guy will only work on the truck details. Are you able to understand how many epics we have created, how many tickets we have created for each one? One parent task, one parent task, one parent task. Now, this entire project to get completed, it takes 3 months. I will divide my epic into stories. Story 1, story 2, story 3, story 4. So story 1, story 2, story 3, story 4 are assigned to Praveen. For this epic, some stories are there na, that is assigned to that person and remaining that person. So what you have understood, guys, epic is the parent ticket and story is the child. Are you clear? Like ticket management works like this in the projects. Clear, everyone? Are you understanding? I will take you deep now. I will take you how this Git is utilized, how that branch is created, how that project is managed. I will tell you from here. I will cut a branch and I will show you. Clear, everyone? Everyone, right? Now, assume, am I boring you guys? Or are you understanding? Clear, right? Okay. Now, what will happen? Tell me one thing. This ticket ID will have an ID, right? Yes. So that ID, let's say like my project is transportation. So every time in the Jira, there will be created like transportation. Let's say TRNS is my project ID and I am assigned with a ticket 2314. Are you clear? This ticket ID is my story. Okay. I need to work from Monday to Friday. I am working on this and I am assuming 5 days of work is needed to complete this ticket. Are you able to understand the circle? I will tell 5 days of work is needed to complete this ticket. Now, I will start doing the work. From here, the beauty gets changed to the Git. I will come back to Git now. Okay. Okay, please write down. Now that TRNS 2134 ticket is there, I will create a folder. Are you able to understand? I will create a folder with that ticket ID. I will put or write the code. Now, the beauty is, all of you see here, the beauty is the first time when I am writing or starting the code, I will first use the command git init. This git init will create a local server for me or local git repository for me. It will create a .git folder inside my parent folder. So what is the repository structure, guys? TRNS 1234 is my parent folder. Under that, because I have given the git init command, once the task has been assigned to me, new task, I am having .git folder. Are you clear now? We will do the hands-on also. All the projects are based on this concept only. Yes, clear everyone? Right? Clear? Right. So yes, for git init is needed for every new folder. Yes, after getting the story. After the story is assigned, I have a ticket. This ticket ID is assigned to me. I will create a folder with that ticket ID, and inside that, I am telling everything in the command. Okay? Everyone clear? What is the first command I used, guys? Git init. It will create a empty folder, empty.git folder. No code is there. No code is there here. Empty, because I am creating a new code. Correct? For this task, I'm going to create a new code. Everyone clear? Beauty? Yes. I will now write some code. To write a code, I need a file. So let's say in this folder itself, I am creating a Python file test.py. Is it clear? So this is my parent folder. Under that folder, what command I have given? Motion git init. With this, the .git has been created. And I am creating a file. Which file? Python file. Are you clear till here? Yes, everyone. बच्चों से लेके बड़ों तक सबको समझ में आया जो मैं बोला? Right. Good. Okay. Now, once I created the Python file, I will write the code in this. Yes. Do you agree with me? Beautiful. Now, once I have written this code, I have to do some commands here. All of you see here. The next command is git add dot. Oh, sorry. Git add dot. Please see here. Bhudev, whatever I am telling, just try to understand as of now. Okay. So first command is what, guys? Git init. The next command is git add. Okay. Now git add dot. What it will do is it will add all the data of this file to this local repository. Okay. Are you clear? Git add dot. All the changes or all the new changes will be added to the local server. Are you clear? Yes. What it will do, all the new changes, it will add to the local server. Yeah. Now, once I did this, I will do a git commit. Please write down git commit -m. Some message I will give with my ticket ID, TRNS 2134. Now, what this is doing is, once I add it to my server, I am committing the data, everything in local. This all things in local. Laptop. Clear? Yes or no? Yeah. So git commit -m is message. So guys, whenever you are doing coding, please see here. I will take you to beautiful automations also after this. After in next 10 to 15 minutes, I will take you to automations. Okay. I will explain. I have not explained yet. I will take you to few automations. Please see here. Now git commit -m is the message. Okay, here you can give anything. You can give Praveen Singampalli, Praveen Reddy, Dhanlakshmi, any names you can give. But the management or your manager is asking you to give what? Jira ticket ID. What he will check, while appraisal. While appraisal, he will check how many commits you have done, how much work you have done for the project. If you don't give this, how I will know that that is your task? That commit, that code is your code. Will you be able to track? You can able to track with my name, but what task I have worked, how will you track? Do you agree with me, guys? It's a simple logic. Every manager in the company will ask you to have the Jira ticket ID or write the proper description of that message, whatever the changes you are doing. Do you agree with me? All of you agree with me or not? Tell me. Right? Okay. Now, once you have committed the changes, there is one command called git push. Guys, at this point of time, git commit will save the changes. It means you have added some changes. It will save the changes to the local server. Save. Okay. It will add. And now, once you do the git push, all the changes from the local server will be pushed to the central server. Are you all clear? The git push is very important command. From your laptop, all the data will be pushed to the internet repository. And what was the internet repository name, guys? What was the internet repository name? Transportation. GitHub, under GitHub, what was the folder? Transportation. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Git add will add the data. Prashant, I am seeing that you are doing some other work also parallelly. Am I correct? Yeah. So you are not concentrating on the class. Okay, right. So git add is, I have written here, it will add the changes to the local. Till here, whatever you are seeing, the commands 1, 2, and 3, these all are local, local, local. But once you do git push, it will push the changes to the central server. Yes, from local to central. Is it clear, guys, everyone? Yes. Can we move to the next commands? Everyone clear? Right. So there are other commands also, like git log. Okay. Git pull. Git diff. Git checkout. Please write down. Whenever you tell, see, guys, one thing. Whenever I am pushing the data, please see here, from local to central. Okay. I told you that every organization will create the name with email ID, correct? Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me or not? Yes. 1 second, huh? Right. So whenever I am pushing the data from local to central, what type of data do you think that it will have, that particular commit? Whenever I push the data from local to central, can you tell me what is the metadata it can have? What is metadata? Metadata is nothing but whenever you are buying an item, there they will write price of the item, barcode of the item, manufacture date, expiry date, where it has been manufactured, why it has been manufactured. It will write, right? So whenever I am pushing the data from local to central, can you tell me what are the meta ID it will have? One is commit ID, one is message, one is your name and the data. Do you agree with me? For every push you do, there will be a hexadecimal ID, hexadecimal commit ID. Metadata means, boss, you went to buy an iPhone. On the box of iPhone, whatever you are seeing, the iPhone picture, iPhone price, iPhone date, everything is a metadata, right? Metadata, the data associated with the, what you call, inside item. Clear, Rishabh? Is it clear? Everyone? Good till now? Right. Now you tell me, whenever I am pushing the data, I will show you hands-on also. Huh? Don't think like only theory. Hands-on will be there. Everything, whatever we are discussing, I will show you hands-on. Okay, don't worry. Now you tell me the commit ID is in the format of 24568A98, something like this, ABCD. Okay, 40 digits. Yes, that's what. The commit ID, every commit ID is 40 digits. Purendra, it's issue from your end. Audio, I am talking like anything. I am shouting. Okay, if you are not seeing, I am shouting like it. Okay, all of you see here. All of you see here. You guys cannot speak. Okay, this is the class of online. I will be communicating. Okay, right. You can put your chats in the query and you can join doubt session. And meanwhile, at the end of the class, general talking we can do, or doubts talking also we can do. Okay, access will be given. Okay, now all of you see here, guys, all of your brains are here at this point. What file I have committed? Test.python file. Yes, all of you are able to understand here. Test.python file. So what are the four main important parameters with that particular commit ID, with that particular push? One is this one, this one, this one, this one, correct? Now, whenever you do a git log, log will give me this data. Log, I need the log. Do you agree with me? What data I will get in git log? The changes, the commit ID, the messages, the data of whatever the push you have done, it will show you. Clear, everyone? Guys, all of you are understanding in class. Yes or no? If you are telling no, you ask me what is your doubt here. Yes, till here, everyone good. Can I take you to a real-time automation from here? I will cut a branch from here and I will take you to a one automation. Okay, can I go ahead? Right. This automation you note down as automation one. Okay. Please note down as automation one in your heading and write down this scenario. Okay. Right. Now, automation one is that my manager asked me to write a automation to check how many commit IDs are done by his team at the end of day. You start your code at 9 a.m. You finish your code at 9 p.m. So 12 hours. In span of 12 hours, how many commit IDs? Which team members are doing? He's very clever, huh? See, he is going to give you performance based on the commits. Are you able to understand? How much you write the code, how much you are doing the changes, based on that, he is going to give you hike 10%. Someone is getting 10%, someone is getting 5%, 2%. And that automation DevOps engineer needs to do. Are you able to understand? So you need to write a Python code here to hit the central server, get the data, and manipulate the data. Do you agree with me? Everyone agrees with me? You hit the server, get the data, manipulate the data, and push it to your manager. Every end of the day at 5 p.m., you push an email to the manager stating, hey boss, today these are the commit IDs done. Okay, Praveen has done 10 commits, some other has done 10 commits, 4 commits, 5 commits, whatever the data. Your manager will get. Are you able to understand the automation? We actually, you know, I have done this in Verizon. Okay, that's why I am telling this. Okay, did you understood automation one? Everyone, every day at 5 p.m. Okay. Yes. So someone is giving the code also. I will not do any code things right now because I don't want to put anyone on pressure. But yeah, what I can do is, okay, Python, no Java here, no Java here, only Python. Okay. So the basic automation, have you understood? My manager is asking every day 5 p.m. I want to know all the commit IDs done by your team. Is it clear, everyone? Did you understood? Yes or no? If you say no, I will stop here. I will explain again. If you say yes, I will move forward. Yes? Okay, good. Yes, we will move forward. We will see some more commands now. Shatrughan, don't run how to automate. Okay? Garima, don't run. I just told you automation, which we will do later in the Python class. Okay? Don't run. Right? Do you want me to give a break or we will continue for the session? It's up to you. You want a break? I will give you a 5 minutes break. If you say continue, I will continue. No issues. Break? Okay. Right. So time is now 10:32 a.m. Take a 5 minutes break. Come back at 10:37 a.m. We will start the class and I will take you over the different Git commands. Is it clear? Yes? Yes? Go ahead. Okay. 5 minutes break. You come back. Any doubts you have, you can hold your doubts and write on your notebook. Okay. We will discuss at the end of the session. No worries. Okay. These are basics. I have asked multiple times. Any doubts? Any doubts? You guys have told me no doubts, no doubts. So that's why your break time is this one. You come back. We will start the class and we will go ahead. Okay. Right. Don't leave the class because where to access documents, how to access cheat sheets, what you have to do, how the interview questions are there, we will discuss at the end of the class. Okay. Come back. 5 minutes break. Come back. Okay, all are back. Yes. Okay. Now let's discuss few more things. Okay, in the Git itself. So I have told some things here. Okay, till Git log we have completed. Now tell me one thing. Suppose you have a data. Okay, and you are trying to push this data to the GitHub. Okay. Now how the things are happening is, all of you please see here. Vani, are you there in the class? Vani Reddy? Yes or no? Yes. What's your question, by the way? Any question you have? Yeah, please don't say yes. Post it, please. Please ask your question. Okay. So I always watch all your questions, and my team is also there who is with me. They will be also watching all the questions. Okay. Sometimes it's the chance like some questions are missed. So don't worry about that. Right. So let's move forward. All of you see here. Whenever you have a data, so which command you have pushed it here, guys? Git push you have used. Correct. Now tell me the test.py. Yeah, you can watch the recordings. Vani, it's completed already. Okay, you can watch the recording, right? For that part. Yes, you can watch the recording for the automation part because I have to move ahead on the class. There are many topics to cover. You can watch the recording at this particular time before the break. Okay. Now, all of you see here, you have a data and how you have pushed this data to the GitHub by using the command called git push, right? And the file where it is present right now from your local, right? It has been pushed to where? To GitHub. You all agree with me? Now, what the other person is doing is this everything has been done by which team member? Team one member. Now, I will have the second team member two, who is trying to access this changes. So what is the command that he will give? Initially, in his local laptop, he will not have the test.py, correct? So he will use the git pull command. Okay. The git pull command will give the changes to his laptop, also the commit data. Are you able to understand, guys, everyone? It will bring all the files and the data to this guy's laptop. Team member two. So git push, someone is doing, git pull, someone is doing. Are you clear? Right? Git pull. I am pulling the data which someone has pushed. Yes? Have you done? Everyone? Clear? Right. Now you understood some things, right? Now let's say I have a new repository of item and inventory. Yes, Saurav, that's true. Okay. New repository, item and inventory. Now, for the first time, if I want to download the repository, all of you see here, for the first time, this is my new repository. Where? This repository is where present? In the central hub. Suppose in the GitHub of central, there is a new repository, but in my laptop, it is not there. Item and inventory is an application name, Rishabh. Okay, this is an application name. Okay, can you all tell me, suppose a new repository is there and I want to get that entire new repository code into my laptop. What is that command? Git clone repo URL. Are you clear, everyone? For every repository, the GitHub will give me a repo URL. Clear? Everyone, right? Git clone. Okay, you are cloning the data which is present in the central repository to lower repository. Right. Now, all of you see here, Nikita, git clone is you are pulling the code from the central repository to your local. Okay. The entire new repository, entire new repo. Clear? Git pull will only give me the changes. It means that you already have that repo in your laptop. It will only give me the changes, difference of changes. Is it clear, everyone? In git clone, entire new repo. Whenever you are starting the new project, if you want everything new from the code, you get it. Git pull, only the difference of changes. Is it clear, everyone? Yes? Right? Clear? Right. Now, there are few more commands. Please write down git merge, git rebase, git fetch, git checkout. There are few, git branch, git diff. Yes, Prashant, that's true. Okay. Now all of you see here, yes, git revert. Please write down these commands, git status. Okay. All of you, before I move ahead, before we go ahead, I would like to tell you few things here. Okay. All of you have written these commands? Yes. Can I go ahead? Before explaining these commands, I will tell you few concepts here. Okay. Right. Can I go ahead, everyone? Right. Please put a new heading. This one, you leave the place. Okay. Let's say half of the page you have written this, leave the page. Okay. I will come back. Leave the page. Git status. Leave the page. Now in the new fresh page, put the heading branching strategies. Big heading you put, very important topic, 10 marks question. Okay. If you don't see some commands here in the cheat sheet, you will get it. From the cheat sheet, you have to practice. In the class, yes, Ranjit Nayak, I am able to see. Thanks a lot, Ranjit Nayak. I am able to see your message. Okay. Okay. 10 marks question. Yes, it's very important. Now, all of you see here what I am trying to say. Yes, Uday. Okay. Now, what I am trying to say is in a class, everything to explain everything, it's very difficult. Correct? Right? So what I am always doing is I will tell you the important pointers. Shiv, you can exclude that. No issues. Okay. I will tell you important pointers. Whatever is missed are there in the documents. Is it clear? Clear? There are many commands. These are maybe 40 to 50%. There are still 30 to 40% commands which you have to go over. Clear, everyone? But don't go at once, everything. Slowly, steadily, you have to go. Cheat sheet I will provide. In there will be like 10 to 15 more commands which you can see. Everyone in the class, are you able to understand? If I'm going over all the commands, I will miss this. Okay, this is important to tell you this particular slab of things. Handwriting, see, my handwriting is like this only. Okay, so I am pardon for that to everyone, but from childhood, my handwriting is like this. Okay, even teachers used to minus the marks in the exams due to my handwriting. But the documents will be clear. Whatever you are seeing might not be in the documents. Okay, and whatever in the documents you might not see here. So whatever I am telling, it's in a flow. So you need to see this. Once the documents are shared, you need to go over that. It's not like class is over. No, documents also you need to go. Clear? Right. Now, all of you see here, I will again tell with Walmart example only because you all should be aware of how a company is using, or Verizon also, right? My previous experience, I can tell you, no issues. Now, this transportation application, 3 members were working, correct? Now, the first person, the ticket ID was created by what name, guys? TRNS. Do you remember the ticket ID? 2, 1. Okay, 2314 or 2134. Okay, anyways, whatever. 231. 2134, right? Yeah. 2134. Okay, whatever it is, leave it. The second person, the ticket ID is transportation 5456, and the third person, TRNS. Okay, like this. Now, all of them are writing the code. Okay. Initially, whenever a task is assigned to you, please see here, face of code. Okay. Task is assigned with ticket. Everyone in today's generation, if you are getting 10% hike, 5% hike, is based on the tickets only. Okay. So your ticket ID is, let's say, TRNS 2134. Immediately, you are supposed to work on the task. To work on the task, you create a branch in GitHub. Please see here, guys. Okay. And how do you create a branch? First, you do git init. Not every time you use it, but you use these commands. Git init, you do git add something, git commit, okay, git push. At this point of time, there will be some branches, okay, but there will be also some branches which you are required to create for your code. So what you do is, at this point of time in the GitHub, there is a master branch. Okay. Whenever you create a new repository for the first time in in the internet, in the GitHub, the first branch which is automatically given by the Microsoft team or the GitHub is what, guys? What is the branch name? Master. Okay. This master branch is the parent of all the branches. Now, you go to the library. The physics rack is one rack. The chemistry rack is one rack. The biology rack is one rack. The max rack is one rack. Correct? Yes or no? Do you agree with me? The racks are kept based on the category of the subject. Correct? Now you tell me, okay, now you tell me the master or main. Okay, some people call main, some people call master. Both are same, no need to worry. Now, you already know these commands, beautiful commands. You already know. But I want to, because now you tell me, guys, this was till yesterday, 27th December till 9 p.m. Okay. Now, 28th December, what task has been assigned to you guys? TRNS 2134. Do you agree with me? So what I will do is, I will use one command called git checkout. What this command will do? It will actually check out all the code, okay, from this branch. Okay, before checkout, let's do one thing here. Okay. Okay, let's do the checkout directly. Git checkout -b TRNS 2134. This command will copy all the code from master and put it under TRNS 2134. This command is similar to create a new branch with all code in master. Are you getting, guys? 28th December, what task I got it? Master and main both are same. As I have told you, Venugopal. Okay, master and both are same. Okay, clear? Yes, Rohit, that's fine. Okay. Now, tell me. Okay, you want me to repeat this particular step, all of you? Yes. Okay. Right, right. I will repeat, no issues. Yes. Okay, please wait. Don't write. Yes, Ankur, all of your comments are visible to me. Just wait. Okay. Now, all of you tell me one thing here. Till now, the code was in which branch? Till 27th December? Master or main? You got this, na? 28th December, my manager assigned new task, correct? Yes. So, which command I will use to create a new branch? Get checkout. -B is branch name. -B is branch name and the new branch name. Okay. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Get checkout -B, the new branch name. So whatever the master data is there. Now I am in which branch, guys? Now all the code is in which branch? Trans 2134. All the code. Now what the developer will do is he will write the code. He will push the code. He will do changes to code. To in which branch? In which branch? Trans 2134. Clear? Once this coding is done, let's say this coding is done. He is happy with the coding. There is one command here. Please write down how to verify. I will tell you. See, how to do the testing, I have not told you yet. Correct? So whatever I am telling, just little bit you follow and little bit you can explore also. Okay? Now you tell me, bhai log, behan log, please, please, please. No, checkout is not for that. Okay. How many branches I have? One, two. Correct? Ultimately, who is my parent here? The master is my parent. Correct? So now coding is done on which date, guys? 29th of December. Clear? One day I took for the complete the coding. So what I will do, I will do a git merge. Git merge. Okay. Git merge is nothing but you are again putting this branch data entirely into this branch. Clear? Does it make sense to everyone? What is merge? Whatever the branch you are working, again, you want to put that code, difference of code into the master branch, right? Yes, Kalavati, if you have missed the topics due to internet connectivity, you can watch the recordings, no issues, right? Now you did the merge. Bilog, see here. Now the beauty lies here only. The 10 marks question. From here, I am going to take you to the child things now. Shall we start? See, the deep things I am not touching. I am touching like concept wise. Okay. Let's go ahead and understand the branching strategy from here. Okay. I will tell you a story here. You just see. Okay. The master should always be updated at the end of day. Are you clear, everyone? Yes. The master should be updated at the end of day. Clear? There is no architecture of Git. Okay. Nothing like architecture, only the steps, commands, process, configuration. Okay. All of you have written this, everything? Yes. Right. I will move forward now. Okay. Please write the branching strategy, types of branches in GitHub or in any project. Okay. Not every time. Okay. Not every time. Now, all of you see here. Till now, yeah, they have to be in sync, Harish. Okay. How many branches? How many branches you have seen, Pratibha? Two. Till now, how many branches you have seen? Master and TRNS 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say this. Okay. Now, what was the epic? Correct. There was a story. From there, there was an epic. From there, the story has been created. Correct? Yes. Correct, na? There was an epic. From there, the story has been created. Okay. This epic is a feature. Can I say that? This epic is the parent feature. Let's say this epic is 5158. Correct? So feature hyphen 5158. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no? So I am introducing a new branch to you. That is a feature branch. This is the parent branch. This is the dev branch. Means developer has worked on that. It's his own branch. He can do anything. He can delete, he can copy, he can modify everything. But this is the team branch. Why? Why? How many stories this epic was divided? Do you remember why I am telling this epic story? How many epic that was divided, guys? See, long back we discussed, right? Somewhere we discussed. Yeah, three. Do you remember, na? Three. Somewhere we have discussed three, right? So tell me, three stories, how many people were working? Three people were working, correct? Do you agree with me? Three stories, three people were working, but everyone, before merging to master, they will merge the data to feature. This is my feature, transportation feature. Okay. Did you got it, everyone? Understood? From feature, I will merge to master, because once the feature is completed, then I will put it in the master. But if he has the access, he can do directly. But usually we will not follow this. Are you clear? The main code base should be always in master. These are feature. Let's say 10-minute delivery is one feature. And can you tell me other feature? Google Maps feature. So there is a second feature called 5259 Google Maps. Does it make sense to everyone? Guys, bye lob. Correct na? Okay. Now you have completed the feature. The feature should go to the testing also. Now you ask me, right? Feature should go to the testing. I cannot merge it to direct to master. It's very risky. So there is one more branch called, let's say, like, you can say like a release branch, let's say. Okay. Right. So in the release, let's say like I am, or let's say like QA branch, or there are many names like Teflon branch. Okay, let's not call it release. What we will do is we'll simply say like QA or Teflon. Okay. So what it will do is they will take all the data. This testing team will test everything and they will give a sign off. Okay. And After that, there is a release happen. So this is a release. Okay. Once the release is done, once the release is tested, then the release can also be merged to the master. Master, anyone can merge it. So basically, a dev, a feature, maybe you can say like QA, then you can say like release, and finally to the master. Are you clear with this? I have explained very simply. This is how we follow. And every organization follows the same. Only thing is name gets changed here and there, little bit names based on the manager, based on the director. But this flow is what it is. Now, all of you tell me, at some point of time, I am getting a issue in code. Code is not always 100% safe. Master is the parent. Everything should be there in the master. Now tell me, this release was happened in December for New Year. New Year code update has been done. Now I have to make ready for Pongal. Do you agree with me? I have to make my website ready for Sankranti Pongal. No. I have to make website ready for Republic Day offer. So do you think that one more release will happen at Jan 26th or Jan 25? That is one more release. But all the code should be finally where? This release, everything should be in the master. This flow changes, but this master is master. That's it. That's why his name is master on main. Do you agree with me? All of you agree with me? Yes. Now tell me one thing. Let's say the QA is telling like there is an issue. Okay, there is a bug they have noticed, or there is a defect at QA level. टेस्टर्स का काम है कि भाई गलत बताना. Yes or no? Correct, right? So for bug, they will create a one more branch with the ticket ID. Bug, see, QA team will create a ticket ID for them. And with the help of ticket ID, they will again raise a bug branch. Okay. They will fix that bug. Again, it will go to the testing. Okay. And again, it will be merged to the release. Clear? There is one more branch here, which I have not told you. If you are clear till here, I will be going to the next branch. Yes? That's true. Okay. Bug branch will again go to QA. Basically, not directly to QA. There are two ways here. Bug branch can directly merge to the feature and then go to QA, or bug branch can directly go to the QA also. It depends on the team, like how the teams are talking and all those things. Right. Okay. Now, one branch is there. Shall I go for that? Yes. Yes. Now, let's say while doing the sale, while I am running the sale, my website is down. Okay. From production, this issue came. People are not able to log in. Millions of transactions for Walmart is failing. So in master, whenever there is a issue is happening, we will name that branch as hotfix. Hotfix hyphen the ticket ID. Are you clear what is hotfix? Hot, everything is hot. I need to fix it. Does it make sense? Now, I will give you a bigger picture of this branch strategies, hotfix or emergency fix. Now, all of you see here, dev, QA, stage, prod. These are different kinds of environments which DevOps engineers handle. Stage or UAT. Okay, right. Now all of you see here. All of you see here, dev branch or dev environment is only for developers. Please write down. Yes, if more branches are there, you can delete it. Delete option is given to you, right? Access is there. Please write down this nomenclature, very important. 2 marks question, how many environments you are maintaining, what branch is going to which environment, please write it. The dev environment is taken care by developers, right? So whatever the ticket ID TRNS2134 is tested by developer in his development environment. Clear? The QA team will have a QA environment where they will have a QA branch. And that ticket, let's say like QE-5459. The stage or the UAT is tested by managers or the clients or the directors. Okay. So this will be something like, maybe you can call like UAT-6542. And the production, when everything is sign off, you will directly deploy into production, master branch. If any issue, hotfix branch. New year version will be changed. I will tell you, I have not discussed about versions. If see, entire cycle is handled by versions, which I will teach you in the Java class. It means like Maven and Java class, which we will do in the coming classes. I will tell you. But tell me, how was the class? Like, not how was the class. Did you understood this topic at least? Like this scenario? Everyone in the class, any questions here? Vani or anyone, like, please don't tell me like again later, I'm not understanding or I'm having doubt. No, you all have written notes. Everyone written notes. Good. Right. So let's go ahead. Prod everything manager. Okay. Managers approves. Right. Now, what we will do after this? Okay. When hotfix is created, it will be directly merged to the master branch. Hotfix is created. Usually the testing team also does the hotfix. See, we will not go into the deep. Why? Because it changes from team to team. Are you able to understand? If I go deep, my team will be using differently. Your team will be using. I don't want to confuse by going deep. Okay. The layer is same. Under that layer, the manager decide how the thing should go. If manager tells once the hotfix is created, it should go to QE. QE should sign off and come to the master. Then that process is followed. If your manager is good, if he directly says like, okay, hotfix is there. Okay, you tested now, you merge it to master deploy. So any pattern teams can follow. Is it clear? Everything is controlled by DevOps team, development team. Both teams will be there. Is it clear? And at every stage, all the people's approval is needed. Okay, like QA should approve, release manager should approve, master should approve, hotfix should be approved, then only. Yes, in any kind of product-based company, this is the strategy is followed. Is it clear, everyone? Yes or no? See, once you have written, right, what you have to do today, let me tell you. So you are going to get today cheat sheet. You are going to get today interview questions and answers. You are going to get today theory document. Okay. Assignment I will give you tomorrow, not today. Okay. So how many documents? Cheat sheet, interview questions and answers, theory document, and some more Git documents will be shared to you. Okay. So 4 documents minimum. Tomorrow 5 documents. 1 assignment document will also be added to you. Okay. Now, where I will share all of you, please open the website, all of you. let's do this hands-on. All of you, please open this website, www.heydevops.in. All of you, please, guys. Yes, I am telling from where you will access. All of you open that. I will tell you. Okay, those who are watching on YouTube, today is the demo class. So demo class, I just make sure ki you just see if anyone is not able to join. That's why tomorrow, no class on YouTube. All the classes will be done on the website itself. So if anyone is interested, you can enroll now also because one class has been done. Site is opened, everyone? Open? Right. Can you go to the login? Once you have logged in, are you able to see something like this? Feed section. Everyone is able to see the feed section? Yes? Nikhil? Yes, brother. Yes. Okay, don't worry. All your comments I am seeing. Don't worry. Are you all seeing this? Everyone? Right. So this is the place you have to filter this. Arey bhai, please don't put like I am not seeing your comments or something. Keshav and everyone, I am able to see all your comments. Okay. If I feel that comment is important, I will respond, or else you can think that he has seen the comment and he has ignored. Okay. If you are facing issue while watching the class, then my team will respond to you. I will not respond. If team also feels that no boss, I don't want to respond, no response will be given. Okay. Now all of you are seeing top and recent. Yes. भाई लोग बहन top and recent. Yes. On the top, you will see the top articles, top placements, whoever has got placed, everything will be here. Okay. You can see like interview questions, some assignments and all those things. Okay. Most of the important things will be here. But when you click on the recent, these are general queries, questions, and all those things. So you can see here, even our people have started watching or talking about this. And because you are batch 10 students, there will be a tag given to you. The tag will be created after the first class. By evening, the tag will be created. So how you can post it here, all of you see here, you have to write something. Let's say I have a doubt. Please use this as a WhatsApp and Telegram group. Only Telegram group will be added by evening. No WhatsApp group, nothing, because this feed has been created for you all. I have a question, let's say like this, and I have a doubt. So you can add any photos here and you can post it. And my people or you all can help anyone here. You all are welcome to post your queries here, ask your doubts here. So let's say like this guy has posted Alak Singh. I can go ahead and comment like, thanks for sharing. Correct? Do you agree with me? These are good. It helped me a lot. Thanks for sharing. Okay. You can share here your recent interview questions, your documents, your screenshots, whatever you can share with the people of your batch. You can share it. Everyone clear? So once you are posting here, you can see tag. You will see here a new tag called Prime Batch 10. Okay. Or Prime 10. By evening, you will be able to see. Is it clear how to use the feed section? Now, if you are able to see, there are some leaderboards here. Yes, you can post articles or anything. Yes, I'm going to tell you. First, I will talk about the feed section. Then we will go to the recordings and document section. All of you are seeing this feed section rankings 1, 2, and 3. Correct? So if anyone's name from batch 10 is ranking here at the end of the batch, you will get goodies. Okay. So how to get the participation or how to get the leaderboard? Let me tell you. So how does the things will help is the moment you do a post and people engage on your post, Shubhangi, this is same for everyone. Okay. Right. Let me complete. So the people, so if you give good content, guys, correct, na? If you give good content here, people will like your post more. Do you agree with me? And even I sometimes can pin the post also. If you give your placement story, if you give your success story, it can be pinned and people can watch it. So all the important things will be pinned here, right? From our side. Okay. So the more you get the engagement, or let's say like I comment here, right? So let's say like someone is having a query. I am trying to resolve their query. I will get points here. Are you able to understand everyone how this leaderboard works? So you can post your query, you can help others, you can engage with other posts. The more you engage in this 2 months, your leaderboard rankings will be changed. So let's say I posted something, I will get some coins. I commented something, I get some coins. I help someone, I get the coins. If other person engages on your post, I get some coins. With this coins, you can redeem in the batch 11 also if you are interested or something. If you are not interested, you can keep the coins with you for getting the goodies. Is it clear? This is the first thing. Now, the second thing is all of you click on the purchase tab here. All of you click. Yes, it's nice. Leaderboard is nice, right? Right? All of you clicked on the purchase tab. Click on batch 10 inside the purchase tab. And people on YouTube, you can definitely check these things and you can enroll for batch 10. Okay. No, Sunkara, no. Okay. All of you are able to see something like batch 10 poster. Yes. All of you in the class, that batch 10 module 10 will be there. Click on that batch 10 module. Click. Once you have clicked, okay. Okay. Of next few days, what are you going to do? Okay. So all of you have clicked on that. Yes. All of you have clicked on the purchase tab and then batch 10 module. Everyone, Manisha, please check. Click on the purchase tab under the feed and go to the batch 10 module. All of you are here. Okay, I will wait for 1 more minute. Anyone who still needs time? Manisha, www.heydevops.in. Okay. Click on the purchase tab here. Okay. If you are seeing here, here you need to click purchase tab, purchase tab. Under the feed, there is a purchase tab. Manisha, clear? Everyone? Click on that purchase tab and you will see the 10.0 module. Click on that 10.0 module. It will take you to this page. Everyone at this page? Yes. Okay, good. Once you are at this page, you will see something like this. Welcome note to batch 10 members. Community access. Welcome to Prime 10. There will be a video and all of you see here, your mobile number, name and everything will be rotating like this because screenshots and all those things are not permitted. Okay. So your mobile number, your details will be always flashing on the screen. You don't need to panic with that. Okay. Clear? Whenever you are watching the recordings, not now. Okay, this is a video, right? Now, this is level 1. Okay, day-wise documents, level 2 day-wise documents. And where you will get the recordings and documents? Here, under session 1. Is it clear, everyone? Right? Vani, if you are not able to find the community access, you can email us. You don't need to worry. So all of you, save this email for any queries. Usually the replies will be given within 12 to 24 hours. Okay. No, all the data, documents, recordings will be here only in the website. Nowhere else the data will be shared. Are you clear? Yes or no? Clear, right? So, okay. Now, as we are close to the hour, I will ask you all one request. Okay, one request. Okay. How many of you are using LinkedIn? How many of you are using LinkedIn? Almost all. So this is my LinkedIn. If you don't know me, you can connect with me here. And this is my Instagram. Okay. If you don't know me, you can connect with me here also. Right? All the batch 10 updates, all the job updates. If anyone is failing to get job or any queries, I usually help them here. If you don't know me on YouTube, you can check me here. Okay. This is my YouTube. Okay. About myself, you can check everything here. Right. So those who are using LinkedIn, they can, how to create a post, I will tell you. So go to the home page, start a post. So when you are seeing something, you can tag me. All of you see here how to tag it, how to tag someone. You have to say at Praveen. Okay. At KDevOps. What was the best part of today's class? Whether you like the branching strategy, whether you like the Git commands, whether you like the flow, whether you liked what we are covering in DevOps and SRE, what is pre-deployment, post-deployment, what are the important aspects of batch 10, what is the leadership qualities, anything which you have liked from today's class, okay, you can share the screenshot, add a photo, it will open your things and you can paste the screenshot. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Once you tag me, I will get the response and I will comment on your post. Okay. Clear? You can tell anything here. Okay, it was good batch 10. I joined batch 10. I'm upskilling myself. If you don't want to mention batch 10, you can tell to the people that, okay, this is what I have learned, get commands and something, and see how people are engaging on your post, how the cross engagement is done. And same way on the Instagram, if you are using Instagram, if you are tagging me, I will receive the post and I will acknowledge your post also. Okay. If you have any queries, I can connect because you are from batch 10 students, so I can connect with you also. Once you tag at Singham for DevOps, automatically that message will come to me and I will see. So how many of you are going to tag today? Like on LinkedIn or on Instagram? Yes, Dhanlakshmi, Ambati. Okay, Suraj, I missed that maybe. Sorry for that. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thanks a lot. So you can do that. Now, what is the task for today? Task for today, whatever the documents will be uploaded by 5 p.m., you can go and check all those things. Okay. And don't do hands-on today. No hands-on. Hands-on tomorrow, I will tell you. Okay. Right. That is one thing. Now, as we are winding up this class, I will talk with you all also. Okay. I will take a small video. Okay. I am going to take a small video of this one. You can tell me. Okay, I will close these things. Okay, guys, I will ask how was the batch 10? Okay, you tell me your what you felt. Okay, right. So we are started the batch 10 today, right? And almost like 2.5 hours completed. And still, I will talk with you all. Okay. So how was the class, guys? How was the class? How was the class? How was the class? Today's class, real time, get hands-on experience with automations, with explanations, with amazing, superb energy of the class. You felt good. I believe that. And let me tell you all the classes will be like this. No slides will be touched. Whatever my real-time experience is, I will share with you all. I hope you enjoyed the class. And that is how the way we learn and we will upskill in the coming class also. Right? So this is all the things, notes, and you all will be getting, right? You all should be getting all these things, right? So now let's talk with you all. So I am open to talk with you all. So those who want to talk with me, you can raise your hand and I will be giving you the access to talk, right? Those who have raised the hand, I'm giving the access to talk. You all can talk. You all can talk, right? Go ahead, guys. Yes.
Hey, hi, sir.
Hey, hi.
Hi.
Yes,
Yeah.
go ahead.
It's very interesting while teaching Git, especially because I am working in a service-based company right now.
Hmm.
and right now I'm working on Java project, and uh, my client is Verizon.
Okay.
When you feel talk with Verizon, I relate to myself,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
exactly now I'm using same commands in my uh, local and whatever you are doing right now.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
it was be reminding to me, and it was clear. uh, promisely it was very clear right now. If I say
Good.
because while I don't know much. I was 2.5 years of experience, and I worked on previously another project. I new to Java and these things and all. I
Hmm.
learning from things to from my colleagues, and small. I mean, learning small. I'm getting very fear when I'm doing these things, because this is the repository things, right? So
Yes.
if anything goes wrong, burden will become a C.
Correct, correct. That's very important. Thanks a lot. That, and again, amazing to see like you are working for the client who is on and all the projects. Like I worked for 5G, 4G telecommunications,
Yeah.
network team. So Sharat Gandham was my manager there. Okay, like
Oh,
director basically. So he's
nice,
still
nice.
okay. So all the best, huh? You just
Yeah.
complete all the things whatever we are doing in batch 10. Definitely, I am assuring you, you will be having a good scope of learning in coming classes also. Okay.
Yeah,
All
yeah, yeah. I booked a one-to-one call as well.
Oh, okay,
I'm
sure.
hoping to, yeah. I
One-to-one
want to
call, I
pursue.
would like to tell you all. Okay. I will be telling that this one-to-one call of 30 minutes is applicable for the next 2 years. Okay. So whenever you want to feel that, okay, I need help from Praveen at any point of time, right? You can email us to adevopshelp@gmail.com. We will verify. When you are sharing that one-to-one call details also, mention your phone number so that with your phone number, we will verify that detail and we will share you the next calendar set. With that you can book any slot. Okay, and I will be coming and personally I will be guiding you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because I am working as a Java developer. I want to work. I
Sure,
mean, check with you a lot.
sure,
Yeah.
sure. Thanks a lot, thanks a lot. Okay, yeah, go ahead, Charita.
Yeah, Praveen, finally.
Go ahead.
Yeah. So yeah, we all know that you are teaching like amazingly. So you are keeping mind that we have the freshers in our classes, but still whenever like there is something like you are like stucking and asking, you guys are agreed as yes or no, then only we'll move forward like that, right? So what I felt was like it's taking bit longer like than expected.
Correct.
So yeah, I got that it is a live class and you have to make sure that everybody need to get all the details and they should understand each and every step, and you are like giving some time, but I don't expect that is required for too long actually, but say
Okay.
what
So
2 minutes
for the
like
first
that.
few sessions, we can do this. I see generally in the first class, if we go ahead into the deep things, right? If I don't ask anyone, then people will put bad. Okay,
Mhm.
people will feel bad. I have to treat everyone. Okay.
Yeah, understood. Yeah, yeah.
That's important. So initially, I think for the first 2 weeks, it will be like this. But afterwards, because people will also get on track how I teach, how the things are going. So little bit we can fast pace and we can cover more
Mhm.
topics also. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, Praveen.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thank you
Okay.
so much.
No problem. Yeah. Next.
Hi, bro.
Hi,
Hey.
Praveen.
Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah.
Actually, do we are we going to cover GitLab and GitHub Actions instead Jenkins?
No. GitLab is not there. Completely, it's not there. What is the other one? GitHub is there. So GitHub we are going to cover. Jenkins is also there and Argo CD is also there. GitHub
Okay.
Actions is there. No GitLab. Okay.
GitOps means it's different, right, bro?
Correct. GitOps, it's a different one.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Thanks,
Next.
bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi,
Next.
Praveen.
Hey, hi. Yeah.
So I'm looking for more like projects to be involved. So can I book one-on-one section with you so that we can discuss from the basic
Actually,
level to the
sure,
yeah.
sure. We can do that. See what happens, right? I cannot give everyone one-to-one, right? So that's why while you are booking, there was an option to opt for a one-to-one call, right? And the previous recordings also. By any chance, if you have missed, you can email us. There also, I'll be selecting because I already got some students' details. So I should be very selecting wisely,
Yeah.
spending time.
Yeah.
So you can email. right? If it feels opt, we will share the calendar invite. Okay, you can email like you need help or something, we will help you, right? One-to-one
Sure,
mentorship.
sure.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
And how many projects we are going to do in
15, close to 15. Okay.
Cool, cool. Thank you.
Okay. Next.
Hello, hi.
Hey, hi. Yeah, go ahead.
You have mentioned like Jira Automation one. So have you
Ah.
completed it in class or it is pending?
Array, it is the first class, it's pending. You will have your own Jira portal, everyone, and we will do automation there.
Okay, okay, sir.
In the shell scripting class, we will do it. Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Next.
Hello.
Hey, hi, Saurabh, go ahead.
Yes, I want to know about when I have joined the batch, there was an option for one-to-one, but I was confused that one-to-one is for one time or for like.
One time 30 minutes. It's one time 30 minutes. And we will have a dedicated call. So I suggest everyone, like whenever the class has been started, in next few weeks, if you have doubts, you can just email. We will send the calendar invite. But
Okay.
when you are sending, you just need to mention your phone number.
And one thing I want to know about that you have some one-to-one discussion from the aspirants who are working or who are
No, I
struggling
will
for.
be there. I will. So you want someone also to be there?
No. I want just that suppose me, Saurabh, I am facing some problem from my side and I have booked one-to-one. Okay. And you have discussed, then you have any recording like that for discussions you can provide?
I didn't understood your question. So you have a doubt.
Suppose
Additional recordings.
for one-to-one you have recording for you can provide.
I don't have recordings. No recording.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
And nice.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry.
Hey,
Yeah.
hi,
Next.
Saurabh.
Hey, hi. Yeah.
Saurabh, I already opted for the one-to-one, right? So you have mentioned, I've got confused that you have said that we have 2 years for support for one-to-one, right? If anyone opted.
Validity of the one-to-one is 2 years. So because
Okay,
course
so
validity is 2 years, right?
Okay, so which means we have only one session available for one-to-one. So
One
that if
session,
any
that also we can divide. 2 sessions if you want, that also we can divide. Or you need one session, we can have in one session.
So whenever we feel that, we just need to mail on that, and you will
with your number. We will verify from backend and we will send you the calendar invite. You can book the slot accordingly.
So which email we have to send them in?
I have shared multiple times in the class. You have to. This is only one email we have. HeyDevOpsHealth@gmail.com.
Okay, the same email, right? Okay.
I would suggest everyone take time. It's not like you rush resumes.
No, I just want to clarify that you have mentioned 2 years, right? So
yes.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Hello, Praveen. Hi, Praveen.
Yeah,
My name is Jackie.
Yes.
So, Praveen, I have total 10 years of experience in a database side, and I'm working in a service-based company.
Okay.
So, I have already learned the DevOps by myself 3-4 months back.
Yes.
And I'm trying, but I'm not getting calls on that. So that's the reason I saw your post in the LinkedIn.
Yes.
And I opted for this class. So I just wanted to know, how is the scope for the experienced persons who are more than 10 years, and if they are wanting to change the domain.
Correct. So for 10 years, or for let's say like any experienced person who wants to change the domain, I think the main thing is we have to divide your resume and projects. So we will divide like 7+3 or 6+4, because at 10 years you will be a tech lead or senior software engineer 4 in any company, if I say, right? So at least like DevOps.
Here I'm actually leading a team from offshore.
That's good. That's good. So all your things will be just changed as a DevOps lead pointers. Okay, so I will be sharing some roles and responsibilities which you can keep in your project, and you can learn also those things from the batch. Okay, right. Thank you.
Hi, bro.
Hey, hi. Go
Actually, is there any mock interview sessions for everyone?
Yes, definitely. That's what at the end of the batch, right? At the last 2 sessions, if you see session 1, 2, 3, 4, I think some end of the session, you will have mock interviews. You can check.
Okay, will it be uploaded in YouTube as well?
We will discuss that, right? So depending on the number of people, if let's say like more people are there, I will divide the slots If less people are there, we can continue in the batch itself. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Thank you.
Praveen, I mean, we can have mock interviews at the, I mean, suppose the course is completed at the end of Feb. I mean, can we have mock interviews by end of March or April as we wish? I mean, we need some time to prepare.
Correct, definitely. So that is again a different scope. Once the course get completed, you can email us. If you feel that, no, I need a mock interview, we will conduct, no issues. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Praveen, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a fresher. So what is the chances of getting into as a fresher? So for the DevOps. So if you
not only DevOps, see, all the fields are very tight right now. And if you have, let's say, experience, if you have good skills, resume is good, then only people are getting jobs. I would suggest if you are a fresher, start for getting any opportunity that is coming to you, not only DevOps. Your resume should be in such a way like you are DevOps and little bit of coding guy also, initial period. You go to walk-ins. If you are looking at some area, you can go and check that also.
Yeah, if I search also in the Google or anywhere, there will be showing that there will be the DevOps are expecting some 2 to 3 years of experience. There is no openings for fresher candidates. So
it's not like that. Like, see, why I am telling this, there is always competition. Even though freshers are taken, what will happen is immediately people will rush. Freshers are more, right? Opportunities are less. So I would suggest, that's why I told you, you have to keep code, you have to keep the DevOps also. Both the things you need to mention. Then there are chances of getting your resume selected.
Okay.
Okay, that is important. Okay, right. Okay, next.
Hi, Praveen.
Hey, hi.
Hi, Praveen. So first of all, good morning. Thanks.
क्या हो गया? Energy क्या हुआ इतना भाई?
No.
What happened?
Audio is low, क्या?
हाँ, now you speak. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So as you know, like we have already been connected, I guess 2 years back also. So you
referred me to Amazon, I believe, right?
We had a discussion.
Oh, we had it.
And you guided me to join Flipkart also. So I joined Flipkart as on a different payroll kind of thing. So like I have a quick small doubt. Actually, in Amazon, I worked as a DevOps support engineer. Okay. And now in Flipkart, I was working as a product solution engineer. So work was also same, like you can say, you got it, right? So
I got it. See, I got it. So you are telling like you are a DevOps support in Amazon and Flipkart. The role got changed, but the work is same.
Yeah.
But see, there's no issues with that. Okay. I was in Infosys, I was a Java guy, DevOps guy, DBA guy. No one will care about your offer letter title. People are only focused on your resume. So mention DevOps and SRE only. If you have got promoted from Amazon to Flipkart, put that 2, 3, whatever the title is, search for job. Even HR will not ask. No questions asked. You take my guarantee on that.
Okay, like switching to DevOps, it will be easier or like
easy.
It will be a bit
No
difficult.
one is going to check your role there. Easy. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, Praveen. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, go ahead.
See, one of my friend referred this session, so I have joined. Your session is very wonderful. It is remarkable and appreciate you.
Yeah.
See, the thing was, I had started my career in that wireless domain, and I had experience on cybersecurity also.
Okay, good.
So recently, I had started learning the DevOps things. I had going through, so whichever the tools and hands-on you were referring.
Correct.
Okay. So see, after your session, it would be 100% fulfilled. I'm going to change my domain, Praveen, my DevOps.
From cybersecurity.
Yeah, I had experience with cybersecurity and wireless 5G. Okay. Now I wanted to change my domain into DevOps. Okay, the whole career I'm gonna add a whole DevOps experience.
How many years of
behalf
experience you have?
7 years.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, behalf of your support, I'm gonna change that.
Sure. Yeah. Total 7 years we cannot keep it. See why I will. For example, if you keep 7 years, then if you get any time issue, people will get that. So at least like 3+4 cyber security and wireless is also good. You keep like cyber plus wireless previous projects. Now you could keep like last 3 projects or last 2 years or 3 years into the DevOps. That will help you in transitioning from 3 role to 4 role. 7 years, right? So 4 years. So like that we can try.
Yeah, one thing I want to ensure from you, company would consider as a DevOps engineer in case if I add 2 to 3 years of experience.
100%. If you are clearing the interview, no one is going to stop you. That's 100%. Okay.
No, the thing is, they're really considering me as a experienced and package
They will
wise also.
consider. They will see, brother. You are 7 years experience. I am telling you to go with 7 years only. It will be good. Why you want to reduce that? That's no. Everyone asks this question. No, never do that. You go with 7 years. Package will also good. Your level will also increase. But after going there, you have to survive. Little bit 2-3 months will be difficult. But yeah, I think you can spend 15 to 20,000 in taking some support. Free Fiverr is there. LinkedIn is there. Some person will almost come help you, and you can just stand there. Okay.
Yeah, okay, Praveen. Thanks. I had hands on Python also.
Sure. You can
Happy
try.
to share this.
Definitely. Thank you. Okay, Kirenya is asking, I'm working in DevOps team since 1 year. Is it good to shift now or should I? No, don't shift in 1 year experience, Kirenya, right? You should get at least 2 years experience. So be there. That's a good opportunity. Okay. Yeah, Manisha, Rajshekar, Danish.
Yeah, hi Praveen. Am I
Yes.
audible?
Yes,
Yeah, your session was really good. So actually, I have total 10 years of IT experience and around 6 years of experience in DevOps now. So I'm working in one of the big fours right now. And I want to switch. So I'm seeing like nowadays the skills in the skill set they're asking for the Python and coding that.
Python is 100%, Manisha. Any company
Okay.
you go. I
Yeah.
cracked recently JP Morgan, DigiCert, right? I have got goodies also, right? Let me show you. Maybe people will think that I am just telling all the things lie, but see, they have sent me goodies also, right? For the senior site reliability engineer. So
Okay.
thing is that without coding, nothing will work. Coding is 100% needed, and that's what we are going to learn. Python is mandatory, or at least 70% they are expecting you to complete.
Okay, so with the 6 years of experience, so like, what is the level of Python coding they would be expecting?
Medium level.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. So will you be covering like from a beginner to advanced level, or how is
No,
it?
we will not do advanced. Advanced you cannot do also. I
Okay.
will tell beginner to medium to something like your OOPS concepts, classes, all those things we will do. Okay.
Okay. So would it be like hands-on practice also,
Hands-on.
sessions
Yes,
also?
I will be giving
Yeah.
assignments also.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Okay. Yeah. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Okay, so one last person, I will go ahead, guys, and then I will discuss with you all also something.
Hi, Praveen.
Yes, hi, Rajshekar, go ahead.
Actually, today you explained about branching, right?
Yes.
So, in this, what is the role of DevOps engineer to create the new branches?
Yes, that was automation too. I wanted to tell that also, like we hit the GitHub, we create branches also with automation. Okay. But I thought like in day one, it will be more. So I stopped that. So DevOps engineers are responsible for creating the branches and everything. Okay.
Okay, it's not the
No.
developers.
No, we have to do that. Okay.
Okay, and one more question. You are going to cover about a MySQL database, right?
Yes, exactly.
So, are you going to use any tool for automation for the database?
No, automation database we will not do. We are not covering that. Only database we will do. Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So guys, let me talk to you all. So I hope that you all like the batch 10 first class. So if you have friends, if you want to refer them to batch 10, let's say you want to do a combined studies, right? And one more thing, you cannot share your credentials to your friends because you will not be logging in. If you see, the Zoom link is unique to person. Let's say like 10 people are there in batch, 10 people will get Zoom links differently. Okay. So if you want to refer anyone, you can refer here in the batch 10 link and ask them to join before today, because from tomorrow, we are going to do some assignments and hands-on also, little bit, not completely. But if you have any friends, you can refer. This is how I teach. I will not see the slides. I'll completely teach on the experience, right? Okay. So last few questions. Hi, Praveen. This is Naveen. I'm an MBA graduate of 1.5 looking for job. Can I? Yes. Hey, you are already enrolled, right? How can you join this class then? You have taken, like, I'm not sure. You have already joined the class, I believe. Okay. So that's why. If you don't mind, can you explain more about the hotfix branches? Any issues? You create a hotfix branch, you fix that issue, merge it to the production branch. Hi, Praveen. I'm working in Infosys as an SQL admin for 2 years experience. Now I want to change my. Yes, it will help you definitely. Please reply to my message, Presi Lakshmi Venkata. I need suggestion. Please, Lakshmi, ask your suggestion. I will help you. Yeah. I'm an experience in automation testing in Infosys. Should I be able to say? Yes, definitely. 100%. No test engineer role. Completely like you can change. Okay. Okay, sure. So someone is asking, Satya is asking referral bonus. Okay. Once you refer, you can email your registered mobile number and your friend's registered mobile number. We will check and we will give you some, maybe some form of voucher or something. Okay. If you are referring someone today. Okay. Satya, clear? Hope you are good. Okay. Having 8 years of experience and worked on different tools, but it's possible to only work on one tool. How this training will help us? So see, 8 years of experience, you have to work on different tools, coding and everything. So that's how I tell you, this will definitely help you in upskilling. Yes, Vamsi, it's very easy. You already have 3 AWS certifications. You should not ask this question. Okay, I have a final question. I have a BCA. Will this get me a call? See, that is a different scenario. You have a BCA. You are looking for a product-based company. That's a different scenario. You have to check. Okay. How GitHub repository and JFrog Docker are different. JFrog and Docker we have not covered, so I will not comment on that. GitHub, you have understood. No, you cannot download. Harsha, you cannot download. I am presently working at Google Tech Ads optimization in Google Cognizant Payroll. My dream is to work as DevOps engineer. I have completed my graduate 2024. Okay, good. So you have completed in 2024. 6 months completed. Wait for some time, Lakshmi. Okay, at least wait for 6 more months to 1 year. Then you shift your domain. But learning is good. Okay, definitely that's good. Yuvraj, we will not discuss right now. Also, will the bad content video is sufficient? Yes. Ratnakar, that confidence I can give. Yes. Krunal Modi, yes, you can get it. Roadmap, I've already given the first 10 pointers, DevOps, SRE, all those things are covered. Yes, helpful. Hi, Praveen, testing out. Yes, pipelines also we will discuss, definitely. Durga Reddy Kopula is asking, hi, bro, I am working in Infosys. We are using SVN code repository. See, SVN, Infosys uses always SVN. Okay, we cannot do anything. So that's a little bit, you need to take care. Okay. Hello, I work as a junior DevOps for 1 year. Currently, I'm working as Azure. Should I switch? No, you are working in Azure. Learn DevOps, put DevOps as your administrator or DevOps as your engineer, something like that. What time? At 5 p.m. today. Himabindu. Every time the class is ended at 5 p.m., recordings and documents will be shared. LinkedIn optimization, there is a specific class, Dhanyashri, we will discuss there. Yes, you can keep it. Pratiksha, I will tell you how to keep that as a project in your resume. No worries. Tools will be installed in the coming classes. I will tell you, no worries. Yes, definitely. Saikar, definitely. Okay, guys, 1 second. Yes. So any questions, if you feel that I have missed your questions, please post it here. Immediately the response will be given. And anyways, we have the email ID also. Okay. So please refer your friends. I don't know how many of you are going to refer. If you are referring also, you can send us email heydevopshelp@gmail.com. And the Telegram group and the things will be shared to you by evening 5 p.m. You can have a watch on the website. And definitely, I am here to help you all to get your dream job. You need to cover the 2 months, only join the live sessions. If you are missing the live sessions, I am not going to be responsible. This I am going to tell you clearly. Only join the live sessions where you are with me in the entire 2 months. Okay. Right. Thanks a lot for joining. I hope you liked the today's session. I would like to see some reviews on the LinkedIn, some taggings on the Instagram. I have shared all my details to you. And Join tomorrow's class at 9 a.m. sharp. We will do the next steps as we go ahead. Git, you can complete today's documents. It will help you. Okay. Community access, under community access, the Telegram link will be shared at 5 p.m. You can check that. Okay. Thanks a lot for joining, everyone. I would love to see you all in coming days getting a job soon. I hope this 3 hours was a fantastic time for you. You learned something new. Still, we will increase the pace. We will increase time to cover more topics also. Okay. So thanks a lot for joining Batch 10. You can refer, you can share your stories on LinkedIn, learnings on LinkedIn and Instagram also. I would love to see those things. Okay. Right. We are winding up. Thanks a lot for joining. Happy weekend, Saturday. Enjoy day and advance Happy New Year to everyone. Those who are referring, once you refer, please send the email with your registered mobile number and your friend's registered mobile number. Okay. Anyone have friends whom you want to refer for batch 10? Anyone? Yes, no? Okay, yes. Okay, good. So you can refer and you can ask them to join. You both can do the combined studies also. Okay, but the links will be different, right? So make sure you refer. Once you refer, you share the email and we will try to give you a coupon. Okay, right. Thanks a lot for joining. Please take care, stay safe, and meet you in tomorrow's class. Yes, I'm expecting good jobs from this batch. I'm putting my heart and soul. Like 3 hours talking is not easy. So let's see how it goes. I wish everyone get success soon, right? Yes, fresher is eligible. Yes, okay, right. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Please take care. If you feel I have missed any queries, pardon me. You can post it here on the feed section and you can query. You can send your query to the email also. Yes, Yoshita, see, 3 clouds is not needed. You work on AWS or GCP, AWS or Azure. 2 is enough. Okay, don't go for 3. Okay, right. Thank you all. Please take care. Meet you all tomorrow. Until then, bye. Yeah. LinkedIn reviews, definitely do it. I would appreciate that. And you can tag me on Instagram also. Please do that. That will be really helpful. Thank you. Bye.